Alright. Oh no! I'm gonna have to stop the train. Ugh. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright, let me just get this. There we go. It's done. Huh? What was that? Oh no, the train's on a runaway! Ugh. No! Get back! Oh. Now what am I going to do? Breaking news! There's a runaway train without a cab. We need to stop the runaway. Meanwhile, in another segment of the room. Hey, how's that turbine coming in there, bro? It's looking good. It's actually completed. Well done. We'll have this thing ready in... Guys! My train is on a runaway. Are you able to stop it? We'll try our best, Steve. Also, hop on. You're going to help us, since you caused us. Okay, fair enough. Alright, let's go catch this thing. There's the runaway. We need to get as close as we can to the runaway train. I am doing my best. We almost got it. Bingo, we coupled onto the runaway. Alright, Steve, get back on there. Hey, you got it. Okay, I just need to get back into the window. I made it. Alright, I made it back in time to disable this thing. We're not slowing down. Steve, did you enable the brakes? Oh crap, I accidentally enabled full throttle. We're never gonna stop, are we? I hate to break this up, but sharp curve incoming! Oh no! Okay, we made it for the curve. Steve, find the brakes. I'm trying to find him. I found him. Oh crap, right towards the liquid bin. We need to stop this train now. I found the brakes. Well, stop the train. You stopped the train. Thank goodness, too. I thought the train was gonna crash. You just had to trigger it.